The all-new Tige R20 is designed to help everyone realize the dream of inboard boat ownership. In addition to Tige's 20 years of boat building experience and the proven performance of the convex V hull, the R20 comes stocked with all the essential features you need to get out wakeboarding, wake surfing, or even water skiing. From the anodized Vector Tower with fixed board racks and 900-pound ballast system to Tige's speed set and 4-speaker stereo system, the R20 is ready to rip without adding a single option.